Hello, today I'll be doing a deck review of my Mega Colony deck for Grade 0's, the starter, the 3 stands, 3 draws, 4 Mega Colony Combatant A, 3 heals, and 4 crits. For the Grade 1s, 3 this, 2 of this, 2 of this, 4 of this, 1 Karma Queen and 1 Gloom Flamer. Grade 2s, 1 of these, 2 Elite Mutant Jaffa, 4 Lady Bomb, 3 this, and 1 Bloody Recluse. Grade 3s, 2 Cursed Armored Giraffe, 1 Violent Vesper, 2 Master Frog, 2 of this, and 2 Hell Spider. Thanks for watching, and remember to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.